Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking fashion Instagram post for your Instagram. So if you want to create your post yourself, you can create it in Canva. In Canva, you can customize or modify templates already created by professionals. So you just need to click on a template, customize or modify it, and make it your own. It is really simple and beginner-friendly. So create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Fashion Instagram Post. Similarly, if you want to create a post in any other category, you can simply type it here. For example, you can type Salon or Sports and choose from the available templates. Here are the available Canva templates. Click See All to explore all the available options. Here you can see the templates that you can modify, add your own details to, and make your own. Explore the options and choose whichever one you like. For now, I will go with maybe this one. This one looks good. Okay, I will go with this one. They all look good, but I'll go with this one. Just click on it and click on Customize this template. Whichever template you like, choose that one. Now you can see that I have full access to edit whatever I like. I can change whatever I like. I can remove elements as well. Starting with the text, simply click on the text you want to customize. To change the text, double-click on it and add your own text like this. You can add your own text and resize it as needed. And if you want more text features, simply click on the text. This option is for changing the font. This one is for changing colors and applying bold, italic, underline, strike-through, uppercase, or lowercase formatting. You can try out these features. And that was the text customization. Now, to change the background, click on the background and go to the background color option. Like this, you can change the background color. If you want to replace or remove an image from the template, simply click on the image and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. The image or any other text will then be removed. If you want to undo the process, you can use the Undo option here. To replace an image with your own image, go to the Upload section and upload images from your computer. After that, your image will appear here. Now, for the demo, I will copy an image from Pinterest. I might use this one. I will just copy it and paste it here. Like this. I'll just drag and drop it. You can adjust it like this, and maybe I will use this one instead. I'll just copy and paste it over here. I'll remove the existing image, and now I can replace it. You can adjust the position by simply double-clicking on it. Like this, you can adjust the position of your image. In a similar way, you can modify the template and add your own images, details, information, branding, colors, fonts, and everything else you need. When you are done customizing or modifying the design, rename your file to Export. Go to Share. Select Download and download it in PNG or any other format you want. Download it, and your fashion post will be ready to upload to your social media or Instagram. Thank you for watching.